Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find all the live videos going on Instagram without you having to follow the account. So I'm going to show you guys where to go to find anyone's live videos on Instagram, really. It's very, very easy to do. You just want to go over to Instagram and open that up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go over to your Discover tab, which is just the search button at the bottom. And then you want to go up to the top where you see IGTV. Just click on that little IGTV tab. And then at the very top here, you'll see Live Now. If you click on See All, you'll then see all the live videos going on right now. So you can go ahead and join them by clicking on them if you would like to. Now, if you're searching for a specific person, you could obviously just search the top here for a specific IGTV creator if you're looking for one. Otherwise, you can just scroll through here. There's topics as well that you guys can look at if you're looking for certain kinds of live videos. But yeah, it's really, really easy. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys where to find this setting. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.